Hello everyone, my name is Rajesh Kumar and I'm your DevOps SRE DevSecOps coach. I have close to 18 plus years of experience working in multiple MNCs around the globe and having in-depth knowledge of DevOps, SRE and DevSecOps. So I would like to introduce you one certification program in a DevOps, and that is we call it DevOps Certified Professional. Now this is a 2 months of program, 25 tools of DevOps you will learn, and apart from that you will also get the access to the LMS, lifetime access to the videos portal. It's a certification program, and you will have 25 assignments and 2 projects along with it. It's a completely weekend program, so here you have classes on Saturday and Sunday. So as part of this course, you will learn multiple things. Here you see that you will learn Linux, AWS, Docker, Jira, Confluence, Python, Git with GitHub, SonarQube, Maven, Gradle, Packer, Artifactory, Selenium, JMeter, Ansible, Kubernetes, Helm, Terraform, Jenkins, Datadog, Splunk, and Neuralink. Now, how do we, apply for this? So how can you reach out to us? So you have a WhatsApp number and email ID. So please reach out to us, and we'll help you to onboard this program. Apart from this DevOps certified professional programs, we are offering other certifications as well in a DevSecOps, SRE, and one of the very comprehensive programs which we have is in Master in DevOps Engineering. Yeah, so feel free to get in touch with us and then enroll for it. Thank you.
Be just like the one you work in the Linux box or whatever it is. But if you want to access this container from the outside, then you have to port forward and so on. So guys, if let's say tomorrow someone will ask you, hey, run the Tomcat, Docker run Tomcat, run Apache, Docker run Apache, Docker run Jira, Docker run SonarQube, Docker run Nexus, Docker run Artifactory, Docker run WebLogic, Docker run Python, Docker run Java, Docker run Ubuntu, Docker run CentOS. So simple, no? Just 1 second, your life has become so easy. How to go inside it? Exit IT, WinBash. How to access from outside? You know that. What do you think? Do you like this technology, all of you?
Yeah, it's super cool.
Yeah. So guys, you have to practice it. Yes. Any questions so far?
No, sir.
Yeah. So now I taught you how to create a container and how to use container. Now, many commands we have it. I mean, most of the commands, 50% of the commands we have covered. But I want you to look at this. I want to give you some of the demos on the how to create an image. Okay. So this is something I want to teach you, but not in a detailed way. I just want to give you the overview so you will not stuck during the work. So before that, in this command, I'm copying it here. Now guys, you have created a container, you access the container. But sometime you know what? Sometime we'll be asked to create an image. So image which will be having customized image or something like that. So you know what? My manager today came to me in the morning and he said, Rajesh, are you free today on Saturday on festival day? So I said, yes, I am free. I'm ready to work. And then he said, I need one Docker image. So I said, yes, I can create a Docker image. So I said, what is your specification? What do you want? What do you want? What kind of image you want? So he said, okay, do one thing. Let's have a base Ubuntu root file system. And on top of that, you please add a Git, Java. No, Java will take a little bit more time, no? But let's add it just for the demo. Java and install Apache on top of it. Or Tomcat on top of it, whatever you want. So base is Ubuntu plus Git plus Java plus Apache, and then give this image and name this image as a Ramo Kaka, something like this, and give it to me. So I said, okay, no problem. I can create an image for you. So he said, my manager said, how much time it will take? So I said, no, it will take at max 5 minutes. Yes, I mean it. At max 5 minutes, I can create an image and give it to you. So guys, what I'm trying to say here is, if you know the requirement of your applications, what kind of image you want, you too can create your own custom image and don't have to depend on the hub.docker.com or someone. I don't know, here it can be Java, Python, Perl, XYZ, download this application, this, that, and lots of things can happen. I'm just helping you to help have a visualization for this. So guys, did you understand the requirement? All of you?
Yeah.
Okay, so let me start working on it. So Ubuntu base, right? So what I will do, guys, I'm working on that requirement now. So clear the screen. Docker pull Ubuntu base image. I need to have downloaded. This base image is being given by the organization only, official base image. Okay, you can create in fact your own base image only also, but I don't want to get into that topic right now. So Docker images. See here, I have a base image. Now using this base image, I want to have one container. So Docker run, you know that, -it d Ubuntu. Now it means it will help me to run this Ubuntu container, because PID one is getting exited because of that, and d means detach mode. Means earlier I taught you d, but it together. So this is a shortcut command to run the container, but not getting inside a container of Ubuntu. And here you see that this is the container right now created. This is the IDs for it. Now what I will do, I'll go inside a container. Now you know that all these things, I don't have to teach you. I go inside this container IT and this container ID, enter. Where are you right now? Oh, sorry, I missed this one command actually. Bin bash, correct now? Where are you right now? Hello?
Inside
Inside the
the
Ubuntu.
Inside the
Ubuntu.
container of Ubuntu. Yes, yes,
Ubuntu.
yes, yes. So what he said, hey, install the Git, Java, and Apache. I know the command, so I'm just running blindly, but you have to have a logic for that. So Docker, no, no, no. What is this command? I forgot here. Anyone remember that command for installing Git or something? Anyone?
no,
See, no one helped me
Token.
actually here. Apt-get, no, Ubuntu apt-get.
Update. Yeah, okay. Update.
Yeah, yeah, guys, you forget. In RHL Yum package manager and in Ubuntu, this one, what do you say? Apt-get. So here install git. Why? Now package is not there. What to do? Update this container. Update will happen. Why I'm not using CentOS? CentOS is like it will take a lot of time. Waiting time itself is 5 minutes. Ubuntu is little fast compared to that. So here I install this git. I'm installing the git in front of you inside a container as per my instruction from my manager. So Ubuntu, I got it. Git, I am getting. And can I verify? Git is here. Wonderful. I got it. Git. And what he said next? Java. So apt get Java is there. Let me verify. It's not there. So apt get install Java. Now the package I don't remember. So Java install DevOps tool. And this, so this way, if you add the DevOps tool, definitely you will find some of my content. This is the RHEL, this is Ubuntu. Sudo is not required inside a container. This will take a little bit more time. You'll have to wait for it. Meanwhile, if you have any question, you can ask me. Almost done, guys. This command also let me run. This will install the Java. Done, guys. Java installed. Yes. So my manager is going to be very happy today. So Java is done. Apache, I know the command, so I'm hitting it. So apt get
apt-get
install
install
Apache 2.
Apache.
So in CentOS, the package name is HTTPD. In Ubuntu, a package name is Apache 2. Done. So which Apache? See, guys, done. So Git install, Java install, Apache 2 install, everything is done. Requirement is closed and come out of this container. And here, this container, you know what, guys? This container you have Java also, Apache also, and Git also. Let me verify from outside also. So Docker execute and this container and Git. See, is there Java? See, is there and which Apache 2? Which Apache 2? There, wonderful. So now I'm very happy. And now last one, which I'm going to convert this container into the image. Yes, I repeat, container into the image. Whatever the modification you made it in the base container, and on top of that you can create an image, and that will be your desired image. What my manager asked me. So how do I do that? So Docker commit. This is the command. What you have message gives some message for comment. It has update also, it has ubuntu update also, it has a git also, it has a apache also, it has java also. This is
Java.
the messages for the things. Now which container you want to commit? So the container id is this one. And what is the image name you want to give it? Image name, I repeat, image name. Okay, so image
Ramugaka.
name was ramu kaka, ramu kaka. So here, this command will commit that containers and bring you the image which will have all this thing together. And I did it. Just will take few seconds.
So in this way, we have a personalized image,
Customized image. Yes,
customized
yes.
image.
Customized image. Yes. And this is Ramu Kaka. Look at this here. Base image was only 77 MB, and I installed so many things. 912 MB it become. And because it was very fast operation. Why? Because in AWS it's very fast. Okay. So you see that now I'm very happy because I'm going to give this image to my manager. So how do I share my images? What I'll do, I'll create a tarball. How do I do that? So you see my commands, save. This is the tarball I'm creating, and this image, and I'll get a tarball in the current directory, and this tarball I'll share with my commands manager, and he can load it. Docker save input load the tarball, load command. Okay, I'm just helping you here. So this is the way. I'm not going to load it because it's going to take 3-4 minutes again. I don't have a patience. But the command is docker load. Remember that. So you see that here. Ramu Kaka, tarball, I'll give it to my manager. He will load it. So docker load -I and then tarball name. But you know what has happened? I gave this package to my manager and he got furious on me. He got furious on me. I was surprised. Why? He's getting angry because I gave him what he wanted. Let me prove it. See, Docker run -itd and Ramu Kaka. Here I'm creating one container from this just to prove it. Name Ramu, or let's say Ramu. And here, if you see the Docker exec, this is the container. Docker exec Ramu container, instead of container ID, I'm giving Ramu and Git. I'm just verifying. Yes, it has it. Everything, whatever he wanted, he has it. Now he got angry. Anyone have idea why he's got angry? Anyone? Guys, Devender, Dhanush, Global, Jenny, Rahul, Sheetal. Anyone have idea why he's got angry?
No idea, sir.
You should be having idea actually. And he got angry because of, remember that I told you very first day only, write a code for everything. Whatever I did, it was a manual work, and he got angry because I did manual. Means if he wants the next image with the next version of Apache or some software, then again he has to be dependent on me. So he was expecting, as a DevOps engineer, we should write a code for it. Remember that I told you, you should have a habit and mindset to write a code for everything. You should write a code for the product. You should write a code for the testing the product. You should write a code for infrastructure. You should write code for the creation images. You should write code for the CI/CD. You should write code for everything, packaging, security. You learn a habit of writing a code, and that is all about the DevOps engineering. Getting my points, guys?
Yes.
So yes, unfortunately, you know what? I was excited, but finally I have to write a code. How do I write a code for creating an image? So that's called Dockerfile. Let me create an image. Let me write a code. So Ubuntu. So what is the base image from Ubuntu? And who are you? Maintainer. What is your name? So my name is Rajesh Kumar. My email address is devops at the rate of rajeshkumar.ag. What you want inside a container run? I'm just giving you idea. You need to go in detail and learn about that, how to write a Docker file coding. What I did, apt-get update. I remember the steps. What I did, apt-get
Git.
install
Install
git
Git.
-y. Y also remember.
Yeah.
I'm not going
Yes.
to write a Java because it's going to take a lot of time. So I'll
Sorry,
just delete
Java.
that Java part. And this is something I want to. Create. I want to run this container not as a Ubuntu, but I want to create something like.
User.
I'm adding user Rajesh and user Rajesh. So this code will create one user inside a container, and this command will run your container as a Rajesh user instead of root user. I want to set the environment variable Java home, and this I want to set it up. This I want to set it up as a opt Java. This directory is not accessible. I want to copy some file from my current location. What file you have it? No, this is a huge file actually. So I'm creating one dummy file, index.html, uh, and hey, some funny text. And this is the file I want to copy, and here to OPT. So guys, these are the main content for the Docker file. Okay, this is the main content. So base image, maintainer, run update, install Git, Apache, create a user, run the container as a user, set the environment variable inside a container, and copy. You know what? I have a doubt over this line. So let me just get a confirmation because I forgot actually a little bit. Docker file env. So env, where is env? Let me search here. So env is equal to, yeah, correct. This is also correct. So did you understand now, all of you? So that means the container which I'm creating will have a Git Apache user Rajesh running the container as a Rajesh environment variable and some file inside the OPT. Make sense, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, and this is the code you I have written, and the file name is vi docker file and docker file, uh, and the command which I have it, docker build. Okay, docker build -p hyphen T. What is the image name? Ramu Kaka dot. Dot means the place where your Docker file. This is the command.
Yes.
Enter. Okay. So
Yes.
don't worry about the command. You have a recording, so you'll get it. But understand the concept. Okay, there is a problem in this. Okay, okay,
There is
I understood.
some.
This is the problem. ENV. Spelling mistake, guys. ENV.
Yeah, ANV.
So, sorry, ENV. Uh, Save it. Yeah. Now it will be done in faster because Java is time consuming. Rest of the thing is very simple. So it will create an image with so many layers. This is called layer. I'm not complicating too much, but once you find an interest, you get deep dive into the each topic. Okay, otherwise you'll feel lost. No, you'll not get started ever. And there's some problem actually. The problem is Apache. There's a one more mistake here I did. Apache 2. The package name is 2.
2. Yes.
One more time. So you know the beauty of this, whatever the command it has run and created layer, it will not be recreated. That's it. Suddenly it's been used from the cache. So that way you save time more. And this is the best way. You know, you should write a code and then only you can build a CI/CD. Others forget about it. Okay, manually you can't keep doing a whole hell lot of things again and again. You have to automate everything, and that's what is the software engineering, DevOps engineering. So here you have an image, guys. This is the image Ramu Kaka and 250 MB. Okay, because I replaced the name, so this was the last image. So this is the image. Now you know what, guys? I'm going to do one step further. I got the image. I got the automation also. This image, this command, I'm going to run through the CI/CD and stuff like that. But you know, this image, I'm not going to create a tarball. So what? How can I share it? I am going to share it using hub.docker.com. And yes, anyone can create an account, register an account, free account, and can share an image. Anyone. So what is my ID actually? So DevOps school password, I don't know. Continue. So this is my account on hub.docker.com. What I will do, create a repository, and in Hindi we said if you don't like a manager, then Ghushat manager. Ghushat manager. This is the repository name I am going to create. And public is a free, private is you have to pay, create. So this is one repository for my image. So your repo name at a GitHub will become this one. So repo name in the local, what you have, Ramu Kaka. So basically I have to rename it. So Docker tag Ramu Kaka to this name and paste it. So now you see it's created a tag. Clone it. I mean, not clone it, just aliases. See that. So this image, Docker login, login. This command will log into the hub actually, and the username is DevOps Schools.
No,
Password I
usually
don't
was
know.
Rajesh. It was Rajesh now. Ah, okay,
No,
okay.
no,
To
no.
enter into the dash.
Username
Ah,
is
okay.
DevOps School. Yeah.
In the hub. Okay.
Yeah. Password. Login succeeded, and Docker push and this guy. Enter. Now it's pushing. Now this URL, public one, which I'll share with my manager, and my manager will pull it and run it. And that you know that very well. Correct? No?
Yes, sir. Now today is
Yeah.
correct.
So I pushed it. Now let's refresh this UI and see that it will be pushed as at latest. You can version also. I don't want to complicate it in starting, but yeah, see that latest. So now what my manager will do, I'll just share this URL with my manager. He will go and pull this image and run it, and rest of the things you know that how to create, how to start, how to pause, how to unpause, how to kill, how to stop, how to run it, how to get inside this, how to access the container from outside. All these things you know it very well already. Got it, all of you?
Yes, sir.
So guys, this is the complete flow of the Docker. And you know what? Next time, why I'm teaching you Docker? Because next time, any applications you want to run, I mean it, any application, try in the container. It might take initially few more times, but try in the container, because everyone is running the application in a container through the Docker and Kubernetes. So if you don't run it, you will not be able to, align with the market, I mean, industry's demands. Make sense, all of you?
Yes, sir.
And saving CPU, saving RAM, saving storage, no operating system cost in the container. Enjoy this benefit. So basically, you know what the magic which I'll show you. The magic which I'll show you. Right now, I have, if you look at this here, top, and here I have free -h. So I have a 4 GB RAM altogether. Okay, and the magic which I want to show you is Docker images. This is a very heavy images WordPress to 615. Docker run -d WordPress. And look at this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm doing blindly, by the way. Just a second. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and so on. And look at this, only 4 GB RAM, and you have so many containers, heavy containers. Look at this, and this is what your company will love it in a data center. So many applications independently you are running without operating system in form of container, and this is you can serve through the Kubernetes to the whole world, saving lots of money for your organizations in terms of data center cost. Think about it, 4 GB RAM, and you are able to run so many applications, and still you can run it more. I am not running, but just visualize the power of Docker. Correct, man?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is all about the Docker, guys. Now I'll share this recording with you. Each one of you have to practice first this one, and then in the LMS you have around 15 to 16 hours of recording, detailed way, slow way. Each and everything is explained in a simple and detailed way. If you find interest, you can do that, but first you do this recording, complete that. Probably it will take a day for you, and then get it done. I'll share the assignments through the WhatsApp group. Each one of you have to submit the assignment, and
Yes, sir.
I'm going to see you tomorrow for the new tools altogether. Any questions anyone have?
If you would have any issues with our channel membership, you can drop an email to us at contact@devopsschool.com, or you can also unsubscribe from channel membership anytime if you don't want to continue or did not like the video.
Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment any of your doubts and queries. We will reply to them at the earliest.
Thanks for watching.